everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my November Eyescream Beauty unboxing, so we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I typically upload 3 times a week. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It would make such a big difference for me. Without any more chat, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. So this month's, I don't really have a theme for this month's box for Eyescream for November, but it has a beautiful turkey and on the back says thank you. So definitely looking at fall kind of thankful themedness. So let's go ahead and jump into the products then. The first thing that I see here is the GO2 Beauty Palette. So this is the Seduction palette and it is listed as $15 for the retail price. Let's open this up. And it is packaged very, very well, so I do appreciate that. And outside just has that beautiful red Go or GO2 Beauty. And inside, those are some pretty colors. So nice fall, very Thanksgiving holiday-ish vibes here with those colors, at least for me. I do really like that color. Let's go ahead and swatch that color here and see what it looks like. Oh, I just lost. Oh, well, that is not pigmented at all. That is not how I thought that that would come off. Let's try another swipe. So definitely have to build this palette up. You can see that right away. Let's check one of the shimmers. This is a shimmer shade right here. Let's go ahead and put that right under, and that is gorgeous. That was one swipe, beautiful. Mattes need to build up just a little bit, but that is nice and smooth for that metallic shade. That is beautiful. So I'm excited by the metallic shades for that. So $15 for the palette. I do think that's a good price as long as it works. So we'll test that out. Next product that I have here are some lip gel masks, and this is from South Maine, M-A-N-E. They are moisturizing lip gels. The price is $10, and it looks like there are 3 in here. That is correct. And if I can pull one out, they are just... I like the colors on that. That is very cool. It's just a little hydrogel patch, the ones that you actually put over the lips that helps with moisturizing. I am all about anything that moisturizes the lips, especially as we get further into winter and it gets cold. My lips will start to crack and bleed and dry out and just be gross. Next product that I have here is the Be a Bombshell Contour Kit. Price of this is $16. It says step-by-step contour. Let's see what's in the box. So there are 3 different pencil sticks. So it is a cream contour kit, of course, and it goes from lightest to darkest so that you can, oh, and they are twist. Oh, that's nice. They're a twist bottom. That's pretty cool. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of product in there though. So you would just go ahead and swipe. That is a very light contour shade to highlight. Then you have 2 darker colors. I'll swatch this right next to. So there's the nice lighter one. That's a little more red than I expected right there. And the very last one is a very dark brown here, and it was rolled all the way up. Let's roll it down and let's go ahead and swipe that. And so that is more of a contour, that's a bronzer kind of ness. This is even a little more red. I could probably get away with this, and of course that lighter shade. I definitely am not an expert at contouring, so cream contour is very intimidating to me. But we will absolutely try it and see where we get to with that. So that was that 3rd product here. The next product in here is a brow product. This is the Mirabella Brow, the Brow Shaper. It is in a universal shade, and the cost is $20. Tinted Brow Shaper. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this open. It is gluten-free. It is paraben-free. It is not tested on animals, so I appreciate that. And it actually is one of those, not a pencil, but a brow gel, and it wow, that is the biggest wand ever for your brows. That's like the whole size of my brows. So I hate wands like this. Let's see. There's that universal shade. It is quite dark. You can see that right there. Far too dark for me, but also that is the biggest, that's like a mascara wand. But for your brows, I don't enjoy that because I have a much harder time controlling it and getting it exactly where I want. It'll end up all over your face, and that is quite a dark color. So that's okay. You know, I like brow products, brow shapers. I wish it had a smaller wand. Certainly we'll try it. We'll see. Next product here is in some wrapping. Let's undo this. This is a Hikari blush. So Hikari blush in the shade Harvest. Cost of this is $20. So let's open this up. This is cruelty free, which I do appreciate. Harvest, what an appropriate colored name for this box, of course. And let's open that up. And that is a beautiful color there. I'm going to swatch it with this finger that doesn't have anything on it. And let's put us right here. Wow, that is a dark, dark blush. You probably can, trying to blend this out a little bit. Definitely have to use a light hand with your brush when you're using this blush for sure. That was just one finger swipe and you can see it spread quite a bit. So definitely a darker color. The Hikari, it's not a bad packaging, but not as high scale or upscale as some of the other Hikari ones that I've seen before. But definitely not a bad blush. It is a beautiful color. It is very, very pigmented. So we'll have to see how that goes. I sometimes am a little heavier handed than I should be with blush. And the last product that I have here is another Mirabella product. This is the Mirabella Perfect and Correct Finishing Powder. Price for this is $32. Again, paraben free, talc free, gluten free. I love the little packaging here. It is a box within a box kind of thing, slides right off, and there's the powder inside. The packaging is beautiful, white with that gold. Oh, that's interesting. It's one of those, so Almay has one of these, Neutrogena Physicians Formula. It's one of those, all those colors in one. We're going to swatch it with a finger that doesn't have stuff on it here. And it kind of corrects, so all those colors blend into each other. And it's supposed to help even out tone and correct everything. You can see it does leave a little bit of a cast on my hand. I don't mind products like this. I don't use them consistently because sometimes I do feel like it leaves a little bit of a cast on my face. But I am quite pale, so it may be different for other people. But absolutely excited to try that as well. Let's take a minute to add up all the products real quick and see the value of this box. So total cost total value, sorry, $113. This is a $25 box. I do think that overall the value is there. That is quite a bit more than what you paid for it. We'll have to see if the products are worth it. Little questionable about that eyeshadow, although that metallic is beautiful. I definitely am not a big fan of the brow product, so I don't know what I think about that. Then there's the blush and those contours. Quite a few things. I do like the gels for the lips. I'm excited for that, especially for this time of year. What did you guys think about this box? What are you most excited for me to try? What do you guys think about the box in general? Drop me a line. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.